Hi, Nick here from Team Hutchinson Ford. In front of me today we have a 2016 Ford Ranger XLT, double cab, four-wheel drive, presented for sale by Team Hutchinson Ford. The colour here is black mica. Power for this Ranger comes from its 3.2 litre common rail turbo diesel engine. That power goes through a 6-speed automatic transmission and is then travels to the rear wheels. This is a four-wheel drive model, so it does have the low ratio gearbox and high ratio for four-wheel drive, or just two-wheel drive modes as well. We have driver, passenger and side curtain airbags for a 5-star safety rating. Nice and tidy in the interior. You can see the seats are all in very good condition. We've also got the fitted Ranger rubber mats. They're a Ford genuine accessory, quite expensive, so good to see they come with this vehicle. And those mats continue in the rear as well, as you can see. We have a 230 volt and a 12 volt in the back here, so you can charge a laptop or something like that, just like you would out of a wall. ISOFIX child anchor points as well in the bottom of the seats there. Soft tonneau cover, nice and handy. This one still gives you the ability to open and close the tailgate, as you can see there. And then we do have, looks like some of the seals just come off a bit there. Get that fixed up, but then you can see the tough deck liner in there as well, and then that tonneau cover can become undone and rolled the whole way up to the back of the cab. Reversing sensors, reversing camera and also tow bar, so the tow bar is rated to 3.5 tonne. We'll jump in the driver's seat and start the vehicle for you. So you can see 2 full sets of keys, leather wrapped steering wheel. The kilometres for you are, where's my camera gone? 9,300 k's. So leather wrapped steering wheel, range of controls. We can control either of our 2 screens on either side of the speedo there with those controls. Cruise control on the right, audio, voice activation, phone, Bluetooth there on the left. So you can see the screens on our right. We have our display screen, which will also display our trip computer, fuel economy, any settings we want to change. On the left hand side we have our the extension of our sync screen. So we've got phone, we can go through, call people, go back through missed calls, everything. Navigation will give you directions when it's set in the GPS, and entertainment, you can change radio stations all from there. Reversing camera quickly, there it is there. Sync 2, we've got navigation, climate, entertainment and phone all built in. Nice fluid system to use, especially with the voice activation back on the steering wheel. You can call, search contacts, change the temperature, you can change radio station and find an address in the navigation, all very handy. Below that we have, so on that screen you can go into each one and it can come up as the main screen, and then to jump into another one you just press on that coloured bar at the bottom and it takes you there, or of course you have the home screen with that all divided into 4. Range of the controls, you can see audio and climate can be controlled down here or on screen. Below that we have 2 12 volts, and then down the back we have 2 USBs, an auxiliary and an SD card slot. 4-wheel drive shift on the fly here, so we've got a 2 high, 4 high and 4 low, and you can just jam it into 4 high and that will set it up there as well, and then back into 2. Traction control, factory rear diff lock and hill descent control, all built in as well. So if this vehicle is of any interest to you, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 0800 by a Ford if you'd like to come and view this vehicle in person. Team Hutchinson Ford, we're located at 186 Cherm Street in the central city of Christchurch.